Po mga kaawit, ngayon po ay nandito kami sa Canlubang Country Club. Ayan, kung saan dito ay manananghalian ako ng Skyplex. Tara po at mananghalian tayo ng Skyplex. Talagang ganyan, kasi mga nag-golf talagang diet yan eh. Ang tinitira niya yung mga biskwit. Tara mga kaawit.
Ilagay ko na dun. Ilagay ko na lang sa labas.
Okay.
Check 1, 2, 2.
Is it the customer?
Hey,
The culture?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Is to be committed to innovative products and solutions with our network of partners. This is the ambition of Savers Group Holdings. With 4 decades in the industry, we strive to be at the forefront of development in the leisure, construction, and business segments. Savers Group Holdings, or SGH, has always, such as HVAC, cold chain, auxiliary, information display, and energy efficiency, are provided by Savers Industrial and Building Solutions.
Manumalay nata, may pahin na. Dahil sa iyo, nakakapit na sa kulturang Pinoy ang Boys and Things.
Come on.